There it is. Hard passenger all the way.
I see where you get into the fucking top there.
Yeah. That's why.
Try and brake, otherwise I was getting too close.
Yeah, like I said, you can bypass, bro. It's
Yeah, I'll be bypassing this one, son.
this.
Here comes the highest point of it all, okay? It's coming. It's only that long. Keep moving. Yep, you're good. Keep moving, just like that. A little bit more. Keep moving. There you go. That's it. You're almost over it. Don't stop there. Keep coming. A little bit, driver. A little bit.
More.
Hold up.
Push him up.
All right, little driver. Now back, passenger. Keep coming. Passenger. There you go. You're through. That's the hardest part. A little bit. You're going to steer a little driver, okay? Right there. Little driver. Not much. You remember, you saw me making that gap. That's it. Nice and slow. That's that point. Don't bounce it over, otherwise it'll come in, okay? Creep it. You got it. You're good. You're going to stay. You're over. Little driver. A little bit. Right there. That's it. You know where you're at now, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yep. You bridged that. Nice and slow from here. Slow. Those right there. Come on up. Little passenger. Little bit. Right there. A little more. Right there. Just crawl it from here. Little passenger. Keep coming. You locked in the rear? You locked in the rear? There it goes. There it goes. Passenger. Little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Yep. Yes, sir. Little bit right there. There you go. And just creep it. You should crawl right out now. Right there. Crawl right out. You
telling me, bro.
Yeah, a little bit. Driver, all the way, driver. That's it, you cleared by half an inch.